When the BT Openreach team told me that they were going to put a fibre optics cable between the edge of my path and the hedge bottom, I was scared that they'd be digging down and cutting through a lot of hedge roots. I need not have worried, because they've done it with a minimum amount of disruption to the roots, and they put the green outer sheathing in all the way up here. And when they've got to the bit opposite the house, they've used what was an existing crack in the concrete pad. I've got a couple of offcuts of the green outer sheath cable and the black fibre optics cable, and obviously the fibre optic cable goes through the green sheathing, and they've made a very neat job of the cut across the pavement that they've had to do to install their box. So again, I'm very pleased with that. They've done it very neatly.